Alright guys, today we have a 2004 Nissan Maxima and we're gonna replace this battery. This car's been sitting for about like 6 months and the battery has dry cells and no longer wants to start. Let me go inside the car, let me crank it up so you can hear it. Alright. So that's what it sounds like. All right, it's a dead battery. What we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the battery my way. So we're gonna start off by starting this car off. All right, I don't like to lose a memory on any of these cars, especially new models. And if you lose the memory, it's gonna kill that electrical throttle body. You're gonna lose the memory on that. You're gonna have check engine and it might not idle properly. So what we'll do is we'll use this jumper box here and I'm gonna connect negative with negative, positive with positive. I'm gonna start up this car and let me just lay my jump box so it doesn't fall. Let me put it right there. Let me start up this car and then we'll continue changing the battery. I think that was not a good connection. If something like that ever happened to you, just wiggle these cables around. There you go, the car is running. What we'll do is we'll take off this jump box first. What you're gonna need alright, I had to turn the wipers off. What you're gonna need is number 10 and a deep number 10 socket for these right here. So we're gonna remove this and that, loosen that up. These are just hooks. They connect down there, right? So you could look deep down there. These are just hooks. They go down there and they grab onto something like that. Alright, so pay attention and we're gonna hook it the same way. Alright, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen the bolt here. And we're gonna loosen the bolt over here. This is the positive. Once it's loose, you can wiggle it around and you should be able to remove this terminal and this terminal. Make sure the positive does not touch anywhere metal because the whole body of the car is a ground. And once you have that removed, you can simply just lift out the battery. Like that, and here we have a new battery. Same way, you're gonna drop the battery in. We're gonna take this off, put the ground on, and if you need to, you can clean the positive and the negative, but we'll do that once the car is in the bay. Right now, we need to take this car over for other repairs. Alright, make sure you have this flush down there. We're gonna tighten the number 10 here. Make sure these are both tight, alright? Don't leave them loose. Battery is 700 cold cranking amps. Now I'll tighten this one right here. And don't forget to put these in, alright? They just hook on in the bottom like that, both of these. So all you need to do is get this in there. You're gonna find the hook down there. Same thing on the opposite end. You're gonna get this in there. I need to loosen this up a little bit more. Alright, there you go. I caught both of the sides. I'll just tighten these two. And there you have it. So this is how you change a battery on a 2004 Nissan Maxima. If you have any other model, you would do it the same way without losing power, and that will not disturb the throttle body here. All right, that's it, we're done.